Good Saturday morning to you. Well, it's not a very good Saturday morning. Early, I was out about 7 this morning, well, a little after 7, about 7:30 to be exact, and it was foggy as hell. And when it's like that, there aren't too many yard sales around. There was a yard sale not too far from my house that had something very interesting here. I don't know anything about it. I didn't get my magnifying glass out to read any information on it. But I'm going to show you. You want me to uncover this, or you want to just leave it hidden like this, and we'll play guessing games all day long? Well, no, I can't do that to you. We went around to a few. I know it's coming. It's coming. We went around to a few yard sales, and they're a total waste of time. Mostly knickknacks and stuff like that, not much. The yard sale I got this item from had items I wasn't really interested in. Old bicycles with flat tires, a punching bag, and things like that, but I didn't really need it. But I saw this. So I'm going to unveil it now. Ready? I paid $5 for this. One knob missing. The plastic dial plexiglass is missing. The guy took it out because you couldn't even see the radio. I have no idea what this is. I don't know if it's what they call a Catalin or what. All the tubes are in, and it needs a good cleaning. And he loosened the antenna. I have no idea what this is here, whether somebody shoved this in or what. It don't look like it belongs there. Looks like some kind of paper or something. They took the screws out of the loop antenna, and normally it's supposed to be screwed in there. It's got all the tubes, 1, 2, 3, 5 tube set, and there's very little to do to restore this. Okay, the speaker is rubbing, not very good, not torn, but don't sound too good, and it appears to have one short wave band on it. 0.175 to 550, and then you got your broadcast band from 55 to 170. They got a bigger coverage on the, I think this is a FADA. Just a second here. Yes, it's a FADA. Okay. Alright, I see what this is. Kilocycles 170 to 55. In other words, 550 to 1700 standard broadcast, and this is just a meter band, so really it's just AM. It's not a I thought this was a shortwave band. This is 550 to 175 meters. This dial is in pretty good shape. This, I have no idea what this is. I don't know why that's there like that. It just don't look like it belongs there. I think somebody added it, but it's got like 2 push-on plastic rivets. I've seen this before on radios, but I don't know what that does, and there don't seem to be a... Yeah, there is a dial light underneath this. There is a dial light. I can see the wire and the light in there. All the tubes are in. The case actually looks better on the outside than it does on the inside. It's a weird color, kind of a yellowish orange. I have no idea if this is what they call a Catalin or not. A FADA model 115, but it could. Some of it's broken off right there, so it might be more than just 115. It could be a longer model number. And I can't read that. I got to get my eyelope out. So, it's a FADA 115, model 115, as close as I can tell. And it needs, like I say, a good cleaning. Probably like, maybe I use like waterless hand cleaner on this or something. That usually does a pretty good job. It won't scratch it. And one red knob. The guy says he lost the knob on it. And let's see. It's got a sign on here from a radio shop. V-P-I-K-E. V-Pike Radio Company, 25 Chestnut Street, Providence, Rhode Island. So, very interesting. So this should be an easy restoration, and it'll be a future project. So for $5, I think I did pretty good. Like I say, I don't really know if this is what they call a Catalin radio or not. I know nothing about them things. All I know is the Catalins are plastic cases. So, okay. So what I'm going to do is clean this case up off camera and get it looking a little better, and then I'll bring it into the shop and I'll work on it, and I'll be making a video when that time comes. So that's all there was on the yard sales today. Thank you for joining me on one of my yard sale excursions. Today being Saturday, I'm not sure tomorrow being Sunday if I'm going to be going to Jewett City or not, because I don't know how the weekend's going to be. It's not exactly a good weather for yard sales. You never know. It looks like it's going to rain. And tomorrow, who knows what it's going to do. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.